I'm Arjun Mukund Kulkarni. I am the director at Yamai Fashions Private Limited. We are part of the Trio group of companies. We have Trio Trend Exports and Yamai Fashions. I am also the vice president for the Indian Leather Products Association. We are currently manufacturing all forms of leather goods and exporting mostly to the United States, Europe, and different parts of Asia. We found issues with managing data, people, inventory, export documents. There was no ready-made solution available in the market space that could take care of what we were looking for. We've been hunting for the right service providers who could come in and support this particular requirement. Expand ERP has simply given us more time to concentrate on the more productive areas of the business. They had solutions for every aspect. So that's exactly why we went ahead with the Expand ERP. Thank you.